Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Gmail service from your Google account using your web browser. First, go to deleto.app. There you can find Gmail and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by going to mail.google.com and signing into your Gmail account. I've already done that. At the top right, click on your profile picture, then select Manage your Google account. In the menu on the left, click Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see data from apps and services you use. Under Download or Delete your data, click Delete a Google service. You'll be asked to sign in to your Google account again. Go ahead and do that. Now look for Gmail in the list of services and click Delete. Google will then ask you to enter an alternate email address. This address will become your new login for your Google account. Click Next. Google will send a verification email to your alternate email address. Until you verify it, your Gmail address and emails won't be removed. Important: deleting Gmail does not delete your entire Google account. You'll still be able to use services like Google Drive, Photos, and YouTube with your alternate email. But once Gmail is deleted, you'll lose access to all emails and your Gmail address permanently. And that's it. You've successfully requested deletion of your Gmail service. Remember, once deleted, your messages, backups, and account information cannot be restored. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.